Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. So today's current affair first question is a book titled The Great Big Lion written by answer is child prodigy Chris Knight. A book titled The Great Big Lion drawn and written by child prodigy Chris Knight. This book is a story about a lion and two children. It takes about friendship, inclusivity, wildlife conservation and the world of imagination. The book was published by Penguin Random House, India's Puffin imprint. Number 2. India's first National Dolphin Research Center to come up in which place? Answer is Patna. India's and Asia's first National Dolphin Research Center will come upon the bank of Ganges in the premises of Patna University. Around 1,455 dolphins have been signed during the survey conducted in 2018 to 19 in the Ganga river by team of experts. The Gangetic dolphin in India's national aquatic animal but frequently fall prey to illegal poaching. The presence of dolphin in the Ganga gives a sign of a healthy ecosystem because dolphins live at least in 5 feet to 8 feet deep water. Number 3. ISRO plans to launch geoimaging satellite on which month? Answer is August. The Indian Space Research Organization is getting back into launch activity fully at Sriharikota Spaceport with the planned orbiting of geoimaging satellite GSAT-1 on board GSLV F-10 rocket on August 12. GSAT-1 will be placed in geosynchronous transfer orbit by GSLV F-10 and subsequently it will be positioned in the final geostationary orbit about 36,000 km above Earth equator using its onboard propulsion system. 4. Who launches BHIM UPI services in Bhutan? Answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has launched BHIM UPI QR based payment in Bhutan will further strengthen the cooperation between two neighboring nations with the launch in Bhutan. The payment infrastructure of the two countries are seamlessly connected and will benefit tourists and businessmen from India who travel to Bhutan. This will enhance the ease of living and traveling through cashless transaction. Number 5. Who inaugurates Center of Excellence at National Forensic Science University? Answer is Amit Shah. Home Minister Amit Shah has inaugurated a research-based Center of Excellence at National Forensic Science University in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The research-based Center of Excellence at the National Forensic Science University in Gujarat will help our youth to become free from addiction of drugs and narcotics. Number 6. Who unveiled statue of Mahatma Gandhi in Georgia? Answer is S. Jaishankar. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has unveiled a statue of Mahatma Gandhi in Georgia at a prominent Tbilisi park. During this 2-day visit to Georgia, a strategically important country situated at the intersection of Eastern Europe and Western Asia, Jaishankar held talks with the country's top leadership and also handed over the relics of 17th century Saint Queen Keteva. Number 7. Who becomes first Indian gymnastics judge at Olympic? Answer is Deepak Kabra. Deepak Kabra has become the first Indian to be selected for judging the gymnastic competition of Olympic Games. A life goal achieved for the man who knew he would not have made it there as an active gymnast because of his not so strong fundamental. He will be seen officiating the men's artistic gymnast at the Tokyo Games which get underway on July 23rd. Number 8. Which country hosts 2026 World Badminton Championship? Answer is India. The Badminton World Federation has allotted the BWF World Championship to India for 2026. This will be the second time that India will host the premier tournament, which is held every year except for the Olympic year. India had hosted the BWF World Championship in Hyderabad in 2009. Number 9. Name the former WWE wrestler Mr. Wonderful who recently passes away. Answer: Paul Orndorff. The renowned American professional wrestler Paul Orndorff, who is best known with his nickname Mr. Wonderful, has passed away. He was one of professional wrestling biggest star of the 1980s and was famous for his appearance with the World Wrestling Federation and World Championship Wrestling. He retired in 2000. He was inducted into the WWE Hall of Fame in 2005. Number 10, today's last question of the day. Who becomes Nepal's Prime Minister for fifth time? Answer is Sher Bahadur Deuba. Nepali Congress President Sher Bahadur Deuba on 13th July became the country's Prime Minister for the fifth time. His appointment is in line with the ruling issued by the Supreme Court on 12th July to make way for his claim to the premiership, replacing incumbent KP Sharma Oli. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share as more as you can. Thank you so much.